Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create quiz content with Canva. So first, you can just open your Canva apps on your computer or on mobile like this, and after that you can just find the templates on Canva with the keyword quiz. Click on enter, and now you'll find there are lots of quiz templates that you can use. But if you are only on the free Canva version, you cannot use one with pro labels on the template, so you need to find the one with no pro label. So like maybe, okay, this one's right here. Click on the templates that you want to use and then click on customize this template. Then the quiz template will be open, and after that here you can just if you want to change the question, you can just double click on the question and change the text. But if you want to just leave it as it is, you can just click on the arrow at the top and click on download, then choose the file type that you want, and after that you can click on download. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.